Hello student, this is the first video of lesson 19 work of the UN. Before starting this chapter, I will introduce something about this chapter. First of all, you know that the First World War began in 1914 and lasted until 1918. पहला विश्व युद्ध हुआ था जो वो 1914 से लेकर करीब 1918 तक चला था. In this war, there was mass destruction of life and property, which led to a worldwide desire for peace. इतना ज़्यादा संपत्ति और जीवन का नुकसान हुआ था कि लोगों को ये लगने लगा था कि अब हम शांति चाहिए. अब लोगों को लगने लगा था. This desire led to the creation of the League of Nations that was established in 1919. It had a total of 63 member countries. Its main aim was to protect the world from war. But the league failed as the Second World War broke out in 1939 and lasted till 1945. There were two basic causes for the failure of the League of Nations. USA, one of the most powerful countries, and Russia were not part of the League. The League was more of an organization created for the benefit of the victorious party. इसी के बाद बेटे जब ये लीग ऑफ नेशन फेल हो गया तो एक उसी की जगह दूसरे संगठन की स्थापना हुई जैसे हम यूनाइटेड नेशन कहते हैं. यूनाइटेड नेशन was formed on 24th October 1945 at San Francisco. Since then, 24th October is celebrated as United Nations Day all over the world. Now in this chapter, we will study about major organs of the UN. The UN is a large organization that provides scientific and technical expertise in various fields like agriculture, health and education. The UN has the following 6 organs. UN के 6 organs हैं. Now we will study role of the major organs of the UN. अब ये इन और जो ये 6 organs हैं उनका हम रोल पढ़ेंगे. Number 1 is General Assembly. General Assembly is the main body of the UN where the representative of all member countries sit and discuss matters of international concern. It is like the parliament of the UN. The General Assembly has the power to admit new member to the UN. All the members nation has equal representation and the right to vote. The first session of General Assembly was held on 10th January 1946. The Assembly meet once in a year and the session run from mid-September to mid-December. If there is an emergency, a special meeting can also be called. The General Assembly decisions are taken by the casting votes. Each member country, whether big or small, has only one vote. The General Assembly elects its president every year. The General Assembly has the right to discuss and make recommendations on any issue covered in UN's Charter. It elects the members of the other UN bodies. Like General Assembly makes the budget of the UN, reviews reports of the other organs of the UN, and appoints non-permanent member of Security Council. It also discusses issues affecting world peace. In 1953, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit of India was elected as the President of the General Assembly. She was the sister of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, second organ of the UN is Security Council. The Security Council is the most powerful organ of the UN. It has the 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. The non-permanent members are elected every 2 years by the General Assembly from among its members. The permanent members are the United States of America, Russia, France, the United Kingdom and China. The 5 permanent members have the veto power. Veto माने विशेष अधिकार है उनके पास. The Security Council held its first session in 1946. It is responsible for the restoration and maintenance of the international peace and security. Whenever there is a conflict in the world, कहीं भी मतलब conflict होता है दुनिया में, the Security Council tries to resolve it and whenever needed, it sends its peacekeeping forces to restore peace. Now, next and third organ of UN is Economic and Social Council. There are 54 members country in ECOSOC. The Economic and Social Council coordinates the economic and social work of the UN. This organ studies and recommends action on issues such as human rights, equality of women, education and medical facilities. It elected by the General Assembly for a 3-year term. It functions through various committees and commissions. Now, the fourth organ of the UN is Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council was established in 1945. It was created to look after the transition of colonies into independent countries. At that time, there were 11 such countries that have now become independent. मतलब उस समय ऐसे 11 देश थे जो कि गुलाम थे, लेकिन अब वो इंडिपेंडेंट हो चुके हैं. दिस ऑर्गन सस्पेंडेड इट्स वर्क ऑन 1 नवंबर 1994 आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग इट्स टास्क. मतलब अब इसका काम ख़त्म हो गया. अब ये ऑर्गन अब काम करना बंद कर दिए. नाउ वी स्टडीज नेक्स्ट ऑर्गन्स इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो सेशन 2. ऑल ऑफ यू, बाय, टेक केयर.